Honda's biggest dream is to support daring startups and improve the mobility market globally.
To launch a successful startup,
You need to know how to do business.
how to scale,
How to succeed in the market.
How to attract investment.
and have a community of like-minded people.
That's why On the Right Hailing Factory is here.
to help entrepreneurs successfully start a ride-hailing business from scratch.
We start off in March 2021.
and invite everyone motivated and passionate about transportation.
to jump in,
Apply to join Ride Hailing Factory by Honda.
Take your chance. Learn how to launch your own ride-hailing company.
Grab this opportunity to start a business with us.
Follow the White Rabbit. Oh no, follow the link in the description.
Go after your dream.